Power BI is an interactive tool where you can actually do your visual and do your analysis visually. All right. Now, there are lots of things that you can create as a chart, and you can actually do a drill down. Now, the concept that we learn in Everyday Excel is that you follow CAT, C-A-T. Now, CAT refers to cleaning the data source, analyzing the data, and present your analysis. So when you clean the data source, what we have in a key feature of CAT is that you do not touch your raw data. So you will use actually tools like Power BI. You put the data, raw data, into Power BI first, clean up the data within the app, but you don't touch your raw data, then analyze the data within Power BI. Now, not everything that you analyze will become what you present. You need to analyze and conclude or arrive at a finding, and you present that finding. All right. So there are actually specifically 3 pillars in Power BI. So C, clean the data. A, analyze the data. And P, present your findings. All right. So Power BI is an interactive tool, and you can find out how it can be interactive by looking at the video that I'm showing you next. All right. My name is Jason, and I'm from Everyday Excel Business Lab. And what we do in Everyday Excel Business Lab is we play with Excel, we play with data. So we combine Excel with data, and we analyze them. And one of the things that you can do is that you can venture into Power BI, and that's where Everyday Excel goes into as well. And with Power BI, you can take the Excel data, visualize it, and come up and arrive at the presentation format and a visualization. So if you're interested to know more, the email is right below here. So send me a note if you want to know more. We are happy to share with you what we can learn in our courses and how I can help you to scale up so that you are ready for the future. Next 5 to 10 years in your job, you can be more efficient in the way you do your reporting and the way you actually attract attention on your analysis, so that whatever you analyze wouldn't go to waste. Watch the video next, all right? And then tell me what you think about it. I have 2 cards over here. I have a map. This is a field map. This is a sales by quarter. This is my quarter sales. Okay. Now, when I click onto Canada, the whole visual, if you notice, interacts. So this means that Canada takes up only this part of my quarter, second half, quarter 3, quarter 4, and the rest belongs to the other country, right? So this is the filter that we are looking at, and you notice that it shows Canada as a country. And this is the table which shows the different quarters of numbers for Canada. So this is Canada number for 2014. When I click onto Germany, you notice that the chart here will move to show only Germany for visual purpose. These numbers will change as well, sales and profit. This by quarter, and these are the numbers. Okay, so this will consist of one dashboard for the interactivity part. Now, the drill down. In the table here, I did a drill down. Let me clear the filter. I did a drill down based on the dates itself. So I had year, quarter, month, and day. So if I were to turn on my drill down and I go up, my very first instance here is to show the year. I do have a filter here, I believe. Myself to 2014. Okay. So this is what you can do. I'll limit it to 2014 as a filter. All right. Then I'll need to show 2014 numbers. I show the quarters, but when I click onto this drill down, it will break down into quarters for me. The table gets updated. I click onto quarter 1, and it will show me the numbers over here. And this is quarter 1 number. So the whole dashboard here interacts with each other, And the moment when I click onto Canada, the whole numbers will just change. So there are two things that change: the drill down to show the difference in numbers. Then let me go up. Okay. Then now you see the table will change according to this drill down. So I used the drill down in the column chart to control my table and could control the rest of this. And I use this flags here to control what I show. Am I showing everything or a particular country?
That's all I have for you. I hope you like what I shared. And do drop me a comment below on what you think about my video. Bye.